सो कलकत्ता में सबसे पहली बार होने जा रही है KTM Pro XP की overnight ride. So that's a 3-day event. So we are going to do trailing, loads of trailing and loads of trailing. And इसके साथ अकेडमी होती है KTM की प्रोफेशनल ट्रेल अकेडमी जो होती है वो भी चलेगी. वहाँ पे एक्सपर्ट ट्रेनर्स होंगे जो हमें हमारे ट्रेनिंग के बाद सर्टिफिकेशन देंगे. And I am hoping to have an amazing time this weekend. So come, let's see how it goes. Hello, check camera angle. यार पहले मैं देख लूँ थोड़ा सा. Oh, that's my wife. Alright, so hello and welcome back to KDB Vlogs. मैं कुतुब आ गया हूँ लेके आपके लिए फिर से कुछ नया. And I am hoping to have an amazing time this weekend. So come, let's see how it goes. In between this heat wave वाला season हमें मिला है एक amazing weekend. We are going to trail near Calcutta, which is around 170 kilometers approx, and we are expecting some really bad roads, some really unpaved roads. This ride has set quite a few expectations as they are going to be professional trainers who are going to train us, and I'm super excited. I want to see what does KTM mean in name of training, and is it worth it or not. We are also being offered a bronze certification if we, I suppose, clear the training process. मैंने realize किया the moment I try to vlog after a pretty long time, I start to stammer. I don't know why. I mean, it sometimes starts to feel awkward talking to your own self with the helmet on, and people sometimes give you that stare like, what the fuck is he talking to, man? आज कुछ बहुत ही अलग हुआ. आज पहली बार मुझे मेरी वाइफ ने सी ऑफ किया. So yes guys, I have got married lately, and it's been wonderful to see someone getting up for you and wishing you bye-byes. But then yes, at the same time I'm expecting her to join me soon on my rides.
This is a new format. No other city in India has done this event in date. So this is our first ever event at pan-India level.
Tomorrow we are going to have a trail of near about 150 kilometers. I hope everybody has come with your trail sheet.
But make sure that you are very much aware about the person in front and the person in the back.
Alright, so the bikes are all checked up. मेरे hood pegs से हटा दिया हमने rubber grips so that there's more grip, because these shoes are not gonna suffice because we're gonna do some serious trail riding, and that's the team. So there are 9 riders, 2 trainers and more people from KTM, the cameraman, etc. blah blah blah. We are expecting some good trails by the evening. I had seen the photographs of the trail 2 days back when the trainer had posted it. It's a non-paved road, totally non-paved, amazing, but then we're expecting rains also, so this could make it really slushy and dirty. So fingers all crossed. Though we started pretty late, we got up at 6:30. In fact we met at 6:30. It's been nearly 3 hours now that we've started a ride. I hope that it all goes smooth. Alright, you see this? This is what we are on to. KTM Pro XP's Adventure Trail Overnighter. This is the first time this is happening, and it's happening in Kolkata. We are lucky enough. So that's the trail that they had bypassed right now. We'll do this later in the evening. So there are a couple of trails that are going in, and those who came from that trail, because they had lost the track, so they landed up with a shortcut. They seem to have enjoyed it a lot. कोई ना, हम लोग थोड़ा शाम को करेंगे. अभी पहले होटल जाते हैं. This place looks interesting. This is a huge land, unpaved roads, no tarmac, and there are loads and loads of such places. This should be fun. Wow, this place looks like something, doesn't it? वाह, डिड यू सी दैट? क्या मस्त उछाल के बिल्ली की है। डिवाइजर खोल के चला रहा। मेरा तो इतना काटा माटा करा है। यही तो बोल रहा था। वाइजर करना पड़ेगा। मुंह का पास से निकल रहा पत्ता। हाँ, हवा आ रहा, इतना अच्छा लग रहा है। हाँ बॉय, इट्स टायरिंग। रॉन्ग आइडिया टू वेयर द जैकेट। बेसिकली यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा ग्राम है एंड एवरीबॉडी इज वेरी अम्यूज्ड। शाम के टाइम थोड़ा सा इवनिंग चाय के साथ एक चर्चा करने का मौका। Alright, so my GoPro is back. I had gone wild for a while. Wasn't shooting, so we came across some, I think not much but 2 or 3 kilometer stretch, a new one. We got here, it's damn tiring. You were saying something that time? From the center.
No, don't write from the center.
From the ball.
From the center, that Orazo brake will get stick to the...
That is what is happening. So I am riding from ball of the toe. But then what's happening? No, the moment I am planning to shift a gear, no. So this thing is somehow getting stuck and.
Okay, do one thing. You are beating it this way, right? Just push it little inward this way.
Cool.
Okay.
Cool. वाह, क्या चला है भाई। बैठ गए भाई, अब और ताकत नहीं है। on 20% battery, which is barely any strength left in me. वैसे strength है, पर इतनी धूल मिट्टी और इतना पसीना. मेरा पूरा set of clothes, my complete set of clothes has gone wet. It's damping wet. I mean, I can literally drip. I don't know how much is visible on the camera. It's not a very narrow patch. We are heading towards the narrow one. बहुत भयंकर लग रहा है. थोड़ा दूर जा तो मेरे को तो कुछ दिखे. हम भी वही स्लो ही चल रहे हैं. भाई बाबा, हाथ बात में कहाँ फंस रहा है बे. दिन में चलाने में और शाम को चलाने में बहुत फ़र्क आ रहा है. मत चल, आगे वाले को तकलीफ होगा. ओह बॉय, फाइनली वी आर आउट ऑफ दैट प्लेस. ऑन माई डे 1 of this academy, I am telling you, it is worth it. I don't know if the previous sessions were as good as this. Actually, in Calcutta, this is happening for the first time, wherein they have selected this trail. I'm not sure. They must be taking people on the same trails, same kind of trails. But then this one, I'll tell you, my God, this one was beautiful. Keep watching. Stay tuned for the next episode. And this is where we are staying. कुछ तो नाम है Mulband Resort. The Mulband Resort for people those who are from Calcutta. And if you're interested in such kind of a trail, it's near this place. Explore, enjoy, take care.